Thanks to Techniques for sponsoring today's video. What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer. Now, when we talk about earbuds, I feel like we pretty much think of the earbuds that phone manufacturers make as the only options, like AirPods, Galaxy Buds, those kind of deals. But there's a whole world of awesome earbuds out there that we need to pay attention to. So today, we're going to be taking a look at these guys, the Techniques EAH AZ70W True Wireless In-Ear Phones. This is a premium audio brand that just dropped their first truly wireless earbuds with these guys over here. But real quick, let's talk about the unboxing experience. And when you jump into the box, you are of course greeted with quite a bit of paperwork. I know you ain't gonna read it. So skip past that and you're gonna find the USB cable to charge it. It's a USB type C to type A cable. Pretty standard stuff over here, but moving on, we've got the earbuds themselves. Now these earbuds are a little thick, but there's a reason for that and we're gonna talk about that in just a second. But under the earbuds, you'll find the charging case that has this nice metal construction. And we'll talk about the case in just a second too. But we also have some earbud tips so you can get the right fit for your ears. They have a lot of options over here so you can make sure you have the perfect seal for best audio quality. But here it is, guys. These are the Techniques AZ70s. Pop that sucker open and you got the earbuds right there. But I did want to talk about the charging case. Like I said, this has like a metal construction, which feels very premium. It's nice. You got that brushed metal feel up top, which makes it look good, feels good in the hand. Also uses USB Type-C like I mentioned before, so that is a welcome addition. One thing that I do like about this case is that it's got 3 little LED lights so that it can tell you just how much battery you've got left in the case. So with one look at that, you'll know when you need to go ahead and charge these guys up. I also like the fact that I can throw this in my pocket and doesn't look too big, fits just fine, pocketable for sure. But I know you guys didn't come here to talk about the case. You came here to learn about these guys, the earbuds themselves. So these are the earbuds, guys. Like I said, a little bit on the thick side. When I throw them in the ear, this is what we're looking like. But let me tell you guys, these have a ton of cool features. Not only are we looking at touch panels on the sides, which also have like that brushed metal look, and it says Techniques on it, which I think actually looks pretty clean. I actually also like the two-tone look between the black and that metallic gray up top. I think it looks really good. It's a nice contrast here. But in terms of all the stuff that this thing is packing, we of course have touch controls. So you can play and pause your music here by just tapping on the sides. You also have the ability to access a voice assistant by holding on the left side, but it can do some pretty cool things. Not only does it have the ability to work with the voice assistant on your phone, but it also uses Amazon Alexa. So right from your earbuds, you can control things in your house if you've got like a smart home or you're getting into the smart home game. So I can go ahead and give it commands like this. Turn off man cave. That's our shooting light. That's gonna stay on. This is dope. I like having Alexa built into my earbuds because you can pretty much be anywhere and you have access to it. So let's just say you're on your way from work, you wanna get the house ready, whatever it may be, you don't have to worry about having an Alexa nearby or anywhere. You just, right here, guys. You give it the commands and that's dope. So you got those features built into this guy, but you also have active noise canceling. Now, the active noise canceling here is very, very impressive, guys. Now, you might have heard me say this in previous videos, but I've been dealing with a lot of white noise lately, thanks to my baby only being able to sleep with it. Lots of white noise. This does a really good job at blocking it out. We even got this loud dehumidifier around the corner. I'm gonna let you guys hear what that thing is like. That's ridiculous, ain't it? But even with that thing on, once I put these on down here, completely gone. So if you're taking public transportation or you're traveling on planes, the idea of that is so crazy right now. But if you're doing any kind of traveling where you want to block out your environment and you're on the market for a pair of truly wireless earbuds, these definitely get my stamp of approval. They do a really solid job. Now, these also feature an ambient sound mode. So if you don't want to completely block out everything and you actually want to let sounds in, These have that feature as well. Now, the audio quality on it is okay. You'll definitely be able to hear anything and everything. It's not like super clear. It does sound like it's going through a microphone, but it does definitely do the trick. I've been able to have conversations with Jay, even Carl. Is Carl still down here?
I don't know.
Carl?
No.
Carl left. But I've been able to have conversations with Jay and Carl while using these. So the ambient sound mode, while the voices coming in don't sound amazing, they definitely are present enough so that you can speak to people while wearing these, or be aware of your surroundings while wearing these. Now, one thing I will say is that I'm actually pretty surprised by the level of comfort that I get out of these. Now, even though these are larger, truly wireless earbuds, they stay in my ear pretty well. I could shake, not have any issues. Honestly, this is why I love earbuds that use a little silicone tip to go inside. It just makes keeping it in place a breeze. So if you need these to work out, you'll be able to keep them in. I honestly can't vouch for them if you're doing something super crazy, because I don't do anything super crazy, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Let me show you as much action as I get. Whew. Whew. That's my working out, baby.
That's a lot.
Right, Jay?
Yeah.
But if you do plan on working out with these, trust me, these do a really good job staying in. And if you do plan on working out with these, you'll be happy to know they're IPX4 rated. So sweat, rain, you don't really have to worry about that messing these up or destroying them. It'll be able to withstand some moisture with no problem. Now, I know we touched on a lot of the features already, but it does come with the companion app. In the companion app, you have access to a lot of different controls. You can see the battery life of each of the earbuds on the left and right side. You can, of course, control the different kinds of ambient sound. So if you want noise canceling, you want to turn ambient sound, you want to turn it all off altogether, you have all those options right there from the app. And if you want to switch up the way your earbuds sound, depending on what you're listening to, you always have the option right here in the app to go into sound enhancement. So you can use the equalizer, change things up. I know a lot of people probably aren't, I guess the average person probably isn't really familiar with how to tune an equalizer. So they have some presets over here. If you want more bass, you can hit that. Or if you want to hear the voices more clearly, you can go ahead and do that too. But you know me, your boy always has to be on bass enhance. This is where it's at. And you can also access a few other settings as well, like the auto power off setting, which is extremely important. If you take these earbuds out and you don't throw them in the case right away, you can set how long you want them to stay on while not in your ears. 5 minutes, that's the key. And it also has the ability to find the headphones. You can just hit that find headphone button and you can play a sound. Let's emit sound. And once you do that, you can hear the earbuds going off. So you can find this. It's a must. Now what's also cool, and I'm not gonna show you this screen, is that it can actually find the location based on a map. So it'll tell you the actual address where you left it. I'm not lying, it's here, but I ain't gonna show you guys because this is my house. I know all you folks out there who've lost a pair of one of your truly wireless earbuds, you know how clutch that feature is. But all this doesn't matter if they sound bad. So what do they sound like, right? Well, I will tell you guys, probably one of the most impressive things besides the noise canceling is the audio quality. Now these sound really clear, but what's great is that they pack a punch in the bass department. Now, you guys know I'm a bass lover. The bass enhance feature I find dope, but sometimes I don't even need that because this thing really provides some thump. Compared to a lot of other truly wireless earbuds, these pack a lot of punch, but what I like about them is that they're able to do that without being muddy, so that they don't sound like a pair of cheap earbuds that just sound like a bunch of womp 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 in your ears. It sounds really clear, but it has that punch if you need it. And I'm also happy to report they sound loud. A lot of these truly wireless earbuds, you crank up the volume. Sometimes they don't reach that level that you want. These get plenty loud. I wouldn't listen to them at 100%. So these, they give you a lot of room to work with. The only slight negative that I think anybody might have against these is that maybe they stick out a little bit, but that's not a deal breaker. Not for me. When it comes to the sound quality, the features, this thing has a lot going for it in this package. Now, in terms of battery life, we're looking at 6.5 hours of battery life with active noise canceling on. And of course, they have a quick charge feature. So if you throw these guys into the case for just 15 minutes, you get 70 minutes of playback, so you get over an hour. So if you're about to leave work or school, whatever, throw these in right before you leave. By the time you're ready for your commute, you should be able to get all the way home. If your commute is longer than that, I'm sorry, but these will be able to charge up that quickly and give you 70 minutes. So I personally think Technics has made a really solid pair of truly wireless earbuds with active noise canceling. They cost $250, which is safe to say is at the upper end in terms of truly wireless earbuds, but I do think you are getting the quality here that you are paying for. When it comes to performance, you can't knock these whatsoever. So definitely hit up the links down below in the description to check these out, and leave a comment down below letting me know what you guys think of these earbuds. Do you want me to cover more truly wireless earbuds? I know, listen, this used to be a crazy headphone channel. If you guys want to see more stuff, let me know down below. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, be the cool guy or girl that gives this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace. Now, can I block out Ari with these? Chances are I can.